Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the Snapchat account of yours. So for that, what you need to do is tap open the Snapchat application that you have downloaded. It will direct you to the Snapchat homepage. Here on the Snapchat homepage, you need to tap on login. It will direct you to the Snapchat login page. Here, to log into the Snapchat, you need to type in your username and the password. First of all, type in the username of your Snapchat account. And then below, type in the password. Once you have provided both the details, that is your username and the password, you tap on login and this will get you logged in into the Snapchat account of yours. So this is how you can log in Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.